What's going on, guys? We're at Genracer today. We are going to be scrapping the old Hyundai Genesis shell that we have. It was in an accident at Virginia International Raceway.
Well shy of Schwartz. See if we can see what happens here, Cal.
Oh, it just drops a wheel there through the roller coaster. Big one. Big impact. Hit it pretty square on, so I'm not sure.
It just wasn't worth fixing with the body damage and just moving to the new Veloster platform. So we just stripped all the useful parts off it. There's still a bunch of stuff that was usable, all the motor, a lot of the suspension, just really nothing in the rear. So we have to cut this thing in half so we can give it to the scrap metal guy and he can get rid of it. So that's what I'm going to be doing.
Wrong car? Why one?
Alright, I think we're gonna need the forklift to lift this guy up on its side so I can get to some more cutting, but this thing should be in half pretty shortly. The roof, we're gonna blaze right through. The bottom portion of the floor pan might be a little hard. These frame rails are pretty thick. I'm like halfway through them now, but it should be in half. And then the scrap guy should be here hopefully a little bit later. Alright, she's on her side. I'm gonna finish cutting down the middle, split this thing in half to the floor. That's it. Alright, that is all she wrote for this Genesis. We split it in half one more time. And then we split this one in half one more time right down the middle through the windshield. So it's ready for the metal guy to come pick it up, and that's the last of it. So, peace out.